All right, we got mail from Temu, and I did order some yarn. I opened it already because I, could not resist myself. But I want to show you what I got from Temu. Now, as you know, I always talk about it. I have to buy yarn from overseas because we do not have a yarn industry in Israel. So I used to buy from all kinds of places in the world, but now with the situation, not many flights are coming into Tel Aviv. So China is one that does come to Israel. So I usually buy from AliExpress, which is something similar to Temu, and I buy this yarn. This is 100% acrylic yarn that I buy from AliExpress for last 2 years, I think, and I'm really pleased with it. It's very soft, it's very easy to work with, and for me, for my samples, for my designs, it's perfect, because I usually do not recommend yarn. I just make the design, and then I tell you that you can, choose which yarn and what kind of yarn, what kind of weight of yarn, and everything in the pattern. But I love this yarn, so I found it on Temu also, and the price was better than AliExpress. So I decided to give it a try and see if it's actually the same one, because you can never know. You have to be sure. So I ordered a few colors from this yarn, 2 of each. These colors looks a little bit like an American flag. I don't know. I needed some red because I did not have any red in my stash, and I ordered some blues, 2 of each, shades of blue, and a darker one. This is a gorgeous shade of blue, really nice. And I also found a yarn that I want to check and try. I don't know what it says here because it's all in Chinese. I will have to try and figure out with my Google Lens, but I'm using my phone now, so I cannot do it. But it's a braided yarn. I don't know how you say it in English. You can see it's a braided yarn, so it's very kind of strong yarn. It was in a very good price. So I ordered 2 in this color, this beige color I usually use, and I thought I might try it for a bag or something. I think it's mostly cotton, even though it says here in Chinese, which I don't know what it means, 65% of something, it might be cotton, and 35% of something else. It might be acrylic or something else, but it's very strong. It's not stretchy, it's sturdy. So maybe it's not acrylic, maybe it's something else, and it looks like good quality. So I will try a bag with this yarn. Let's pause for a minute this video because I want to tell you about the V-Stitch Club. The V-Stitch Club is our crochet membership that you can join anytime. It's open for everybody. It's $5 a month. You get 2 exclusive patterns each month. You get 1 workbook. This is very unique. You don't see it anywhere else. There are no other crochet memberships that give you these workbooks. These workbooks are a special edition that you can work each month on self-growth through your crochet. So I combine all kind of aspects of our lives that we struggle with and we have questions about, or maybe we want to look at them and give you some crochet related techniques that you can use on your life things and improve them. Very unique. People love these workbooks, and they are all included in the $5 membership. So you get the 2 patterns, 1 workbook each month, and then once a quarter you get a pre-recorded workshop, kind of skill building in your crochet journey. Will you join us? The link for all the information is in the description box below. So the V-Stitch Club is waiting for you. And I couldn't resist. I bought 2 cuties for my new granddaughter. Look how cute this is. A cow. So cute. And then this bunny for her. So yeah, I love it. I really love it. And I also, because I'm kind of into bags now, so I found these handles. It's kind of faux leather, right? And it has this with holes in it, which I'm not sure. Maybe you have to sew it inside the fabric. So this color, it's a kind of a brown. And I also bought these, which are for the closure of the bag, you know. It has 2 parts, this part and this part. So you close it like this, right? And you can put it, maybe I can glue it or sew it to the bag, and then it's closed. I think it's going to be really nice. I bought in this color, this brown, and also in this kind of tan color, neutral color. So I have enough, 2 bags. I think there are 10 each. And I also bought, which I don't quite like the color, another handle in this color. It's too yellow for me. It's yellow with a little bit of green in it. I don't know, maybe depending on the color of the bag. And it comes with these little screws or things that you put here, probably in somehow. I'm not sure. We'll see how it works. So it comes in packs of 2. So I bought this color, so I have 2 of this color, and I bought this color, the brown, the darker brown color. It's the same, darker brown color. You know, when you start buying things in Temu, there is so much there. And buttons. I bought some buttons. This I'm really pleased. It's let's see. This is plain wooden buttons. I love the size of them. It's kind of medium size, not too small, not too big, in a very neutral color. Great for all kind of projects. And I also found these cute little buttons that I thought, well, why not? You know, something special. If I need for a project, special buttons. You see the flower? It's a kind of a flower there. Very cute. I don't know, I don't have a project in mind. I just bought them because they were there and they were cute. And that's it. So I have these in two colors. These in two colors. Where are they? These. I have the yarn, the acrylic yarn, and I have this rope. It's a rope yarn. This rope yarn, and I have the handles. This one, not sure about the color, but we'll see. Maybe if it's a greeny, lots of green color bag, so maybe, and in the brown color, the same. And the two cuties for my granddaughter.